Hello and welcome to the Wrath of Sheep. Today I will be doing a new world, and in it I will be building stuff that you guys in the comments will leave for me, and I shall do them for you. So I'm just obviously I'm a new YouTuber. I like playing games, and to start off I'm just gonna play Minecraft and Team Fortress 2. But I never get enough likes and views and subscribers, and then I'll go into console gaming. Ooh. Oh god. What a start. Okay, what? What a start. Okay, just avoid that now. Yeah, to start off, seriously random snowman. It's gonna be 7, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Damn it. And I will be doing bigger builds and stuff, but this is just a start of the world. Hope it will be nice. Yeah, I'm trying to sort that hole over there. Not quite sure why that is there, but yeah. Obviously, if you've got any ideas or just stuff that you want me to work on, just put it in the comments. Yeah. But just a little bit about me. I just wanted to start, playing this. Okay, I just realised it's just a pyramid. Okay, screw that idea. Actually, we could just encourage it. 3, 2, 3. Get rid of that. I am, by the way, just if you want to know, I'm using Minecraft 1.3.1 as it. It's quite good because it's sort of updated the creative menu, and there is emeralds. I don't know. Yeah, that's quite cool. And you can use normal emeralds, just we got these. You can use them for trading with villages, like NPCs and stuff. It's quite cool. Yeah, they have stuff like diamond pickaxes, but emerald is rarer than diamond, so it's quite hard. But the thing that I found, if you make a lot of paper, if you find the right person, they actually give you a few emeralds for hopefully about 19 pieces of paper. There, so I find if you just make yourself a huge sugarcane farm, make all the paper, and then get the emeralds, and then just buy whatever you want. Yeah. gonna be a bit boring. But yeah, currently I am using Snagit. I've never heard of it before, but when I was looking for what software to use on the computer, I found this one and I was just like, oh, it's got a free 30-day trial, and I'll put a link in the description if you want to get it and use it yourself. And yeah. It's going to take a long time. So yeah, I want to sort of, the idea of, well, I got this sort of build what your subscribers want from NerdCube. If you don't know who he is, YouTube him, he's probably fun. And yeah, that's sort of where I got the idea to make sort of these sort of type of stuff. Yeah. Sorry if you can hear that's my dog. And I don't know, but I'll be doing some free online games, just playthroughs. So yeah, and then with that I'll probably, I might do face cam if you want it. And again, if you do anything, just note description. I know I've seen a lot of people like PewDiePie, Buscus, Yogscast, and stuff. They've got a lot of trend going on about Happy Wheels. I do personally really like that game. Yeah, so I'll be doing a video of that soon. Yeah. If I don't get this all finished, this episode, I'll just carry it on and then I'll share it in another video when I've done. I'm sure it's not going to take that long, but I've got to go soon, so I'll just try to. I can always make it quite, it's like, yeah. Okay, good. Alright, here we go. It's gonna look like it's spraying with snow already. Grey for that, and then the eyes of the grey again. The moth. Yeah, well, actually, use another brick. A bit darker. It's really annoying. Right, just get that just so I can use the fork then. And they do it last. And yeah, and it's done. Looks pretty good. and I'll give it a name. Project number 1. And yeah, sorry, my door. And yeah. More. So anyway, don't know I'm doing this. Yeah, there's project number 1, Y and E. How? Yep, and then also if you got any ideas for mods that you can use, like just any of them, remember the link in the description, and yeah, I shall leave you with a little explosion. Yeah. So thank you. Oh god, that didn't explode. God. God, no, it's gonna break this in Yeah, thank you, and see you later. Boop, 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 boop.